In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get any leads info and sync it into HubSpot instantly using Apollo.io. This process will streamline your lead management and ensure all your valuable information is only a few clicks away. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access the trial guide. Head over to appna2.hubspot.com and access the Sales Hub Professional Trial Guide. This part can seem a bit technical, but all you need is to simply click on the provided link or navigate directly to the guide section if you're already logged in. This guide acts as a roadmap for incorporating new tools into your existing HubSpot ecosystem. Once you're in the trial guide, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now, let's move forward by clicking on the Market option. This action will lead you to a host of applications that can enhance your HubSpot experience. As you are browsing through, keep an eye out for the Apps option, which we'll be selecting next. Selecting Apps is crucial as it opens up the gateway to the HubSpot marketplace where third-party applications, like Apollo.io, are available. This marketplace is a vibrant ecosystem designed to offer solutions tailored to your marketing, sales, and customer service needs. After clicking on Apps, your next task is to type Apollo in the search bar, and a little tip here is to ensure your spelling's correct. A simple typo can often lead to an unsuccessful search, making it harder to find what you're looking for. As soon as you type it right, you should see Apollo Enrichment amongst the list of applications. This tool is essential for fetching and updating lead information effectively. Once you see Apollo Enrichment in the options, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a detailed page about Apollo Enrichment, where you can see an overview of its features and capabilities. It's always a good habit to quickly review the available information here just to ensure it aligns with what you're hoping to achieve. Finally, to bring this functionality into your HubSpot environment, click on the Install App button. Installing Apollo Enrichment integrates this powerful tool with your HubSpot account, allowing you to gather and sync lead information seamlessly. And just like that, you've enhanced your HubSpot toolkit with an invaluable resource. In closing, this process might seem a tad bit intricate at first, especially if you've never navigated these integrations before. However, once familiar, it becomes a straightforward task that significantly boosts your productivity and efficiency. As you use these tools more, you'll find that managing leads gets progressively easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide empowers your lead management endeavors.